Hello everyone, MetaBLriger has been updated to version 2.3, which mainly fixes the joint problem between the head model and the body model of non-metahuman topology. First, demonstrate the problem. When we rotate the bones of the body, we can find that the vertices connected between the head model and the body model do not move together as a whole. Come to shading mode. Even if the vertices where the neck and body meet are coincident, we found that there is still a seam between the neck and the body. This is caused by the inconsistent normals of the seams. Below we will demonstrate how to use the features of version 2.3 to fix these problems. Let's go back to object mode. Find body rigger. Then select the corresponding body and head models. Select our head to enter edit mode. Select the vertex of the circle around the neck. Then go back to object mode. Then click the Set Selected Vertex Weight to 0 button. Then click the Sync Neck Seam Weights button. This will fix the first problem we just mentioned. This time, if you rotate the body bones again, you will find that the vertices where the neck and body meet are completely connected. No disconnection. Next we will demonstrate how to solve the second problem. Let's go back to object mode. Then click Fix Seam Normal and add vertex color. After clicking, we will see that the normal line here on the neck has been repaired. We no longer see a clear seam between the head and the body. Next we export the head and body. Then go to the engine to see the effect. First we select the head model and skeleton. Then select the file you want to save. Export. Then we select the skeleton of the body. Then select the body model. Then click Export. Select the FBX of the body to save. The FBX here is what I have imported before. The export just now will overwrite the original file. Let's open a UE5 project with MetaHuman downloaded. This is the project demonstrated in our previous metablrigerV2.3 tutorial. We import the binding file we just exported. First import the header binding. The skeleton here needs to be selected. Face archetype this type. Then select Import Morph Targets. Then the weight of morph targets is 0. Also select Import Normals. Click to import. In the same way, let's import the body into the engine. Pay attention here when choosing the skeleton of the body. Then we import the DNA. Drag DNA into this interface. Select Head. The operations here have been explained in our previous 2.0 tutorials. I won't go into details here. Configure the animation post-production blueprint. Select Animation Rig. The body is similar. Select Animation Post Blueprint. Select Animation Rig. Copy a character blueprint. Then we rename it. Delete attachments we don't need. And skeletal mesh. Select the skeletal mesh asset for the body. We find it directly in the asset browser. Drag the character blueprint into the engine viewport to observe the model. We come to lighting only mode. We will find that between the neck and the body. It looks normal too. No feeling of seams. At this time we can add the texture and take a look. Here we only add the body. For the head model, we only add the neck-related textures. Here we just take a look at whether the seam problem between the head and the body has been resolved. It's no problem to add stickers. Okay, our tutorial ends here.